So we made the Ben Bill shell. Oliver, unrelated, but I found three of these pieces. Okay, let's go back to this model first. So I know it's not the yellow that I need or want for this model, but since I have one single shade, so I decided to test. I found one filament online that might match the color I need for Ben and Bill, but I think that will be for the next week. Now, testing for revolutions. Yes, first try, and it did not disappoint. So we have the right dimensions for revolutions. Um, Side rods will run okay, no problem. We have enough gap between the wheel and the shell for this bend or bill. Now there is something I was waiting, so I want to add that cylinder right there, and I wasn't unsure about the wheel space. So we have wheel space, enough clearance right there between the wheel and the buffer beam, so we can add that kind of tilted cylinder, but I think should not be tilted. There, I made it straight. Now, since the original model has this kind of wooden windows, I'm thinking maybe I'm going to 3D print those windows separately in a brown shade, so we don't have to paint this model, and then just glue the part. Now, the other problem I forgot is about the gap for this slope slot. I forgot for this revolution since I was making it, but that's okay. I'll fix it in the files later on. So I think pretty much it's close. So it's a prototype. Came out really good, no problem. So I think it will be done next day. I'm tired. Took me not more than 6 hours, 5 hours, 30 minutes to redesign this. You know what? I'm thinking maybe I can do, since I'm in this area, I could try for Revolutions or Trackmaster 116, maybe Wilbert, but that will be for another day. Lining. The lining will be trying to do vinyl. Vinyl will be faster. Just stick the vinyl here for the lining. And actually, I would like to try to print in these shades, like a dark green and kind of light green, light. I didn't say lime, light green. But definitely, I will try to 3D print it in blue. So, yeah, those will look really cool in blue. Quick redesign, and yeah, blue will be good. And actually, you know what, for Trackmaster 1 there's no problem, so the only thing I need to adjust will be the switch gap or slot right there. Just maybe just adjust it a little bit, but in blue will look really good. So I'm gonna try first to finish the revolutions model. Only thing I need to adjust is this part right here, and I think, oh yeah, I need to add the cylinder over here, or piston, whatever you call it, piston. So what are your thoughts? Let me know. Yeah, cool.